partner. What's you up?
William. William. You're so cute. What are you doing? Kaden. Another stick? What is that? Oh. Thought you were gonna make that for his Ugh. Kaden, 10 out of 10. Kaden, from a scale to 10, which one? From 1 to 10.
8.
8?
Yes, and that's for heck.
Liam. What would you rate it? So Liam. I'd probably rate it an 8 too. Good snowman. I'm gonna do something. Gosh.
There we go.
I haven't even introduced the video. We're in Michigan. I can't believe it's snowing in April.
You're in Michigan. You just said it yourself.
Yeah. Just so you know, we do not live in Michigan. We do not live in Michigan. We live in... I can't tell you where we live, but we don't live in Michigan.
You tell them what state. We live in South Dakota. Leon, don't move your nose.
You big boy. Where are we going to put the... Where are you going? Getting something. Oh my gosh. Leo. Oh, I haven't even fully introduced the video. So we're in Michigan, and this is a kid named Liam. Just found him on the street. No. He's my uncle. Liam's my uncle. No. What is Liam?
He's our nephew.
Yeah. So cute. Oh my gosh. Because he came out here because...
We have another nephew.
Yeah. He's tiny.
Baby.
Liam doesn't like him though.
He doesn't like his brother.
Showed him a picture of him. He said, baby. He said, that baby. And he said, naughty. He doesn't like his baby. You tried to hit the baby with the ball. Here.
Stay in. It's falling out.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work. Ugh. Yeah, I can't do that. You do that.
Jesus.
Sorry I didn't vlog. Thursday, Friday, and Thursday. Trying to get as much as I can in. I don't know what to do. But yeah, this is pretty much all we've been doing. Not the whole time. Because apparently we had to go outside. Liam, the baby. The baby. You like the baby, Liam?
Like the baby?
10 out of 10. Best snowman. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from me because that's a fun